at this van setup. Actually, I'm not going to unhitch the van today. The van's pretty much level where it is, so I'm getting really hot. So I'm going to put the awning up. It's an electric awning. I'm not a massive fan of the electric awning. I've got a bit of a love-hate with it. Right, so why am I solo camping in the hybrid? I've got the rooftop on the cruiser. The first reason is that recently my 5-year-old Waeco CFX fridge died. It's a bigger pain in the butt to get the 95-litre fridge out of the camper and into the car than it is to just hook up the camper. So that's reason number one. And the second reason is that the forecast, not that you'd think so, but the forecast for this evening for today was rain. Why does that matter for me with a car? Well, at the moment I don't actually have an awning for the car. And I do have a tarp at home, but I hate it. Right, so recently I've been doing a little bit of playing around with Bushcraft with minimal tools, so with very few tools you can survive. So you can make fire, you can cook, you can find water, and you can eat. The first skill that I'm trying to get right is being able to start a fire without a lighter. So now the great part about this is I don't have the internet where I am at the moment. That means that you, who have the internet right now, can sit laughing at me. What I've got to do now is kind of grab this all together to make like a little bundle of tinder. Right, so one of the things I'm here to do is to change out the utterly terrible sullage hose that comes off the main sink here. So this is the fitting. So that's what it looks like. There you go, it's threaded on the inside. That allows one of these camlock fittings. Push that on there. That won't pull off now. Holy moly. Oh, this is painfully slow. And I had one. I had a flame. But I didn't have enough kindling. Not kindling, like tinder. Hold on, I need to make some more tinder. Oh, did you see that? Oh, there's smoke. There's smoke. Hold up. So close. It was at this point that I decided I was going to have no luck. So I gave up, used some firelighters and opened a beer. That was really difficult. Wow. So my survival tip is always carry a lighter and some firelighters. So on the menu tonight we have steak and kidney pies, which I have not made myself, and I'm just warming them in the Weber. An hour and 20 from frozen on the Weber's lowest setting to heat the pies up again. Heather Bray pies, you've done well guys. You've made it so that I don't have to cook tonight, so Thanks. Cup of coffee time. Alright, excuse the mess, but this is actually what I want to show you. So, just a normal little canvas bag. This one's from Drifta. Boom. Great place to keep all your pods.
Morning, Land Cruiser.
Thanks for watching. See you again next time on Impala Overland.